It's got a sleek design, shines when the light hits it, and sounds like you mean business when you drop it. But just because it's a really good looking card and marketed very well, is it actually worth having in your wallet and paying the annual fee? The goal of this video is to give you a very clear answer. Hey everyone, it's Mark. I'm here to help you put more money in your pocket through credit cards and smart financial habits. If that sounds good to you, do me a quick favor and click on the like and subscribe button down below. Also check out the links down below in the description area to earn some cash back when you shop online through Rakuten. To sign up for MAXREWARDS, which is a great app to manage multiple credit cards and all their rewards in one place, and to view my all-new site with some great credit card offers that I've organized into different categories to help you find the cards that you like best. So in order to determine if the Amex Gold card is worth it, let's do an in-depth review of the card, and as we move along through the different sections, we'll take a brief moment to discuss if the certain types of benefits or rewards that we just covered are going to be a good fit for certain types of people or a bad fit for other types of people. Then at the end, we'll wrap up by summarizing everything together so that we'll have a very clear picture of what type of customer you happen to be and if the card itself is going to be a good match for you, your spend habits, and your lifestyle. So let the fun, games, and intense analysis begin. First up, we have the welcome offer, and as of June 2022, the public offer is to earn 60,000 membership rewards points after spending $4,000 on purchases in the first 6 months from opening your account. The approximate value will vary based on how you redeem your points, but it'll likely be between $360 and $1,080 on average. And yes, the card does come in two different types of gold, the regular gold and the rose gold. You can choose whichever one you like best when you apply. Obviously, there's a huge difference between $360 and $1,080. So we'll come back to this in a few moments when we talk about the value of these points and the different types of redemptions that are available to you. Regardless though, even if you choose the lowest value redemption of $360, that will still cover the entire cost of the annual fee and still leave you with some profit left over in the first year. Year 2 and beyond though would be of course a different question. Moving on to how you can continue earning points on the card long term after the bonus, you'll get 4 points per dollar on groceries at US supermarkets up to $25,000 of spend per year, 4 points per dollar on dining at restaurants worldwide plus takeout and delivery in the US, triple points on flights when booked directly with the airline websites or via the Amex Travel portal, and 1 point per dollar on all other purchases. The annual fee on the card is $250. So again, yes, generally speaking, in the first year, the card definitely makes sense for pretty much anybody who can get their hands on it, as long as you can use that bonus and cover the annual fee. So again, $360 at the low end minus $250 is still $110 left over, and then you'll be earning a bunch of points on top of that. So what we've seen so far is that this card is going to be great for those of you who spend a lot of money on food at US supermarkets and eat out at restaurants, even some bars as well, and who also may fly a little bit throughout the year to earn triple points on your flights. If those two categories represent where you normally spend a lot of your own monthly budget, then this card could definitely make some sense for you. If you don't spend a lot eating out or at grocery stores or on flights, then there are a lot of other cards that would be a much better fit. So at this stage, compare where you spend your money versus the reward multipliers of the card, and that should lead you in the right direction. Now for what these points are actually worth. Well, if you redeem for travel via transfer partners where you push your Amex membership rewards points out to other frequent flyer program or hotel programs, the average value you may be able to achieve will be 1.8 cents per point. So as an example, 60,000 points would be worth $1,080. Again, that's not a guaranteed rate, but it's up to you to strategically learn how to use transfer partners for the right itineraries to maximize that value. Alternatively, and much more simply, you can redeem for travel directly through the Amex Travel portal. Here you can obtain 0.7 cents per point for regular hotels, car rentals, cruises, and vacation packages. Or you can get a flat 1 cent per point toward flights. With these methods, your 60,000 points will be worth $420 or $600. And finally, we have cashback as a statement credit, which is the feature called Cover Your Card Charges in the Amex portal. This only gives you 0.6 cents per point, so one of the lowest value options available, so 60,000 points would only be worth $360. So even though this card is great to earn a lot of points at home whenever you eat out or go to the grocery store, the rewards are really best used for travel. We'll have to save the transfer partner discussion for a totally separate video because that can become quite complicated, but in general, learning how to maximize them through international airline carriers in a premium cabin on a long haul flight tends to to be the sweet spot to maximize the value out of your points. So for those of you who are big into travel, this card can definitely make a lot of sense. For those of you who are not, maybe one trip a year or not even traveling much at all right now, probably better to look at other cards. By the way, if you happen to determine that the gold card is going to be worth it for you, and if you want to use it alongside other American Express cards or even cards from other banks, definitely check out the app Max Rewards to help you keep track of them all. Max Rewards is a great app that puts all of your cards, rewards programs, and more in different dashboards that make them very easy to manage. You can also stay on top of your financial health by looking at your overall utilization, your credit scores, even see all of your individual transactions across all cards in one list. The app will also help you find the best card to use for a specific purchase to earn the most amount of rewards. And if you choose to sign up for the gold level of Max Rewards, it'll unlock even more features like activating your quarterly spend categories, Chase offers, Amex offers, and a bunch more. You can get your first month of Max Rewards Gold entirely for free by signing up using the link down below in the description, and there are also plenty of great features to use in the free version as well. And by the way, if you want to know how to redeem your points on the online portal and also see the other options available to you, simply log into your online Amex account and go to the Rewards and Benefits tab there at the top of your screen boxed in red. Once you click on that, simply scroll down a little bit until you see these options here also boxed in red, like cover your card charges, that's the statement credit option, pay with points at checkout, redeem for gift cards, book or upgrade travel, etc. As you click through each option to learn more about it and see how it all works, it'll also tell you how much your points are worth. So for example, with cover your card charges, 10,000 points equals $60, therefore the 0.6 cents per point valuation. And then for the transfer partners, here's the current list of available airlines as well as the hotel programs. Most of these do transfer one-to-one, meaning 10,000 Amex points becomes 10,000 air miles or 10,000 hotel points in the other program. However, that does not have a whole lot to do with how much value you actually get out of your points. That just simply tells you how many you start with and how many you end with after the transfer. Now on to the main benefits of the Amex Gold card, and this is the easiest way to earn back your annual fee over the course of each year. The first benefit is the dining credit, up to $120 per year. This is issued as a $10 per month statement credit and is valid on purchases at Grubhub, including Seamless, the Cheesecake Factory, Shake Shack, that is select participating locations, Goldbelly, Milk Bar, and Wine.com. Then at the bottom, we have a couple more that are going to be ending as of August 1st, 2022, and that would be Ruth's Chris Steakhouse and Boxed. Second, on the top right, we have the Uber Cash benefit, also up to $120 per year. This one is issued as a $10 per month Uber Cash benefit directly or automatically into your Uber account. All you've got to do is add your gold card to your Uber account, and then the rest takes care of itself. You'll even receive a little push notification and or an email letting you know when the $10 for the month is available. You can use Uber Cash toward rides or Uber Eats deliveries. Next, we have the Hotel Collection, which is a separate portal within the overall larger Amex Travel portal. So through this, you can book some really nice upscale hotels and you'll get some additional benefits like a $100 property credit and a room upgrade if available at check-in. This does require a 2 consecutive night booking in order to be eligible. And finally, we have no foreign transaction fees on this card. So if you're paying a $250 annual fee up front on this card, you can look at it as you're prepaying for things that you should normally be paying for anyway. So if you remove the gold card from the picture, and if you normally be spending your money at those eligible dining partners and using Uber/Uber Eats every month, then that's up to $240 of credits that you can be using every single year. So a $250 fee minus $240 in credits is only a $10 out-of-pocket cost. So if you can make use of those credits, of course, a $10 annual fee is very easy to cover with all the rewards points that you're earning on top of all that. So if you can earn, $300, $400, $500 in rewards throughout the course of a year, then that minus $10, well, you've got hundreds in profit. On the other hand, if this credit would force you to start eating at places or spending money on Uber that you would not normally spend, well, then it actually might be costing you $250 per year, and you probably should avoid the card. Furthermore, the card does come with some great insurance and protections. You'll have car rental loss and damage insurance, that is secondary coverage by the way, the Global Assist Hotline, baggage insurance plan, trip delay insurance, extended warranty, and purchase protection. And now for the final verdict. Should you get this card or not? Which will ultimately answer the question of whether or not this card will be worth it for you. This card will very likely be worth it, and therefore you might want to consider getting it if you buy your groceries at US supermarkets, that is not Target, not Walmart, or any wholesale clubs or department stores or anything like that, because those will not work. I will point out, however, that Walmart Neighborhood Market will work and earn 4 points per dollar. It's just the regular Walmart department stores that will not work because, again, their primary business is not grocery. This card will also likely be worth it to you if you eat out at restaurants often, normally use Uber or Uber Eats monthly, normally spend at any of the eligible dining partner locations, and prefer travel rewards over cashback. With that context, you may not find the card worth it and should likely avoid the card if you buy groceries at wholesale clubs or department stores, don't use Uber or Uber Eats monthly, don't normally spend with those dining partners listed above, don't like high annual fee cards, and if you much prefer cashback rewards over travel rewards. And now I hope you understand why I view credit cards almost like an accessory that you wear. Some people like certain colors, different styles, different brands, etc. There's no one size fit all solution. So is the Amex Gold Card worth it as a broad question? There's no objective yes or objective no for everybody on the planet. Instead, it comes down to your lifestyle, your spending habits, and the type of rewards that you want to achieve, whether that's more cash in your pocket to invest into the markets or save up for some big purchase, or if travel is your thing and you want to reduce the cost of your upcoming summer vacations. So look at your world as you know it and compare it to the scenarios that we just went over to see if the Amex Gold Card can make sense in your own life. And with all that said, if you enjoyed today's video and believe it could benefit other people, then please help me get it in front of them by liking this video, subscribing to the channel, and turning on notifications. Also, check out the links down below in the description area to earn some cash back when you shop online through Rakuten, to sign up for MAXREWARDS, which is a great app to manage multiple credit cards and all their rewards in one place, and to view my all-new site with some great credit card offers that I've organized into different categories to help you find the cards that you like best. I thank you all for watching today's video. I hope it brought you some great value. I look forward to seeing you in future videos, and while you're waiting on my next upload, remember always that you are great.